Hi student, my name is Mohammed Irfan and you are watching my YouTube channel. Today we discuss about trigonometric identity. Tan theta plus cot theta into tan theta is equal to sec² theta. Take left hand side of this identity which is equal to tan theta plus cot theta into tan theta. Multiply both terms, tan theta into tan theta plus cot theta into tan theta. These two same terms with which is equal to tan² theta plus cot theta, as we know that tan theta is equal to 1 over cot theta. These same terms cancel each other. Tan² theta plus 1 which is equal to sec² theta, which is right hand side, as we know that tan² theta plus 1 is equal to sec² theta.